T'as vu les hyènes? Dans le Roi Lion, c'est celle qui rigole tout le temps. Attends, Lou, attends. Regarde les hyènes.
Et où papa, maman?
Tu vas aller voir papa?
Maman, papa.
J'ai une carcasse. Viens, Loulou. Tu marches doucement maintenant.
Lekker joh. Dat is een wilde hoor.
Ja, dat is het. Kom maar dichterbij.
There's something going on.
What's going on? We're here to gossip. Oh my, sweetie.
Oh. It's a small horse.
So they have to kill it.
It's a small horse.
Oh my god.
See the head? Oh, it's already killed.
Yeah, but still.
It's like Jurassic Park. But then the animal's already dead.
Yeah, is that animal like, do they still have to kill it?
No, it was already. But to keep the wild, and not get the slices.
Yeah,
I don't think
just
it's.
chop it off.
No, but I don't think this is every day. But to give the instinct, because normally.